Hi guys, this is JBL Go 3 Ultra Portable speaker. So today we are going to unbox it. This is come in the box. This JBL green. Here is a switch for the power on and off and the Bluetooth. I'm just turning it on. So it will make a sound like this. After that you have to press it to connect to your device. Okay, let's see what else we got in the box. So we have a USB cable for charging it and a sort of manual guide to it and some safety and warranty card we have. I don't know what is this. This is all written in Chinese. So let's pair it. Oh, here is.